Hey guys, James saying. So this is going to be a video on installing the Tesla mud flaps on the Model 3. Now, initially I was confused for some reason. When I got these mud flaps, for some reason I thought they were a set of 4. On the Tesla shop, it clearly, in retrospect, clearly says a set of 2 front mud flaps and splash guards. I don't know why I was confused. Maybe it was because when I was looking on Amazon trying to decide what mud flaps am I going to get, they were almost all a set of 4, which basically makes these Tesla mud flaps about double the price of everybody else's. I don't have everybody else's, so I don't know which ones are better. And I'm going to start, I'll show you the video. I stumbled through putting them on the left side of the car. Everything's a little harder until you know how to do it. And so a little smoother putting on the right side of the car. And so hopefully this will help give you some information if you're trying to decide, do I want to get mud flaps, splash guards for my car? How easy or hard? It wasn't that hard. But let's get to the video. All right, so I just put the mud flaps and the splash guard on the left side. So that comes in the box. Yeah, some backlit back there. Wow, let's try this. I thought I was getting 4 mud flaps. I got 2 mud flaps and a splash guard. So yeah, it doesn't matter when you stick these things together. Not, I'm gonna put these on together so it gives me the maximum protection. Just find the one that fits the curvature of your car. There's something we have to take off underneath. That's gonna fit the curvature of your car. They're not marked left and right, but hopefully it should be readily apparent to you which is left and which is right. This is all kind of dirty from laying around out here. That cleaned off. Still recording. My battery's getting low. All right, so we're still recording. It doesn't matter when you put these 2 pieces together. Some learnings on the other side. You turn that wheel as far as it can possibly go to get it out of your way. Man, I'm having trouble peeling off this tape. There we go. And I'm going to line this up. I'm just going to go at an angle, get this up under this lip here. Up under this lip before I then when I set it down, the holes are lined up. So there's tape all down this side. Squeeze that tape underneath here. Squeeze that together. Now, the tough parts for me, one, when you go along through these instructions here, I'm not a handyman. I'm not a handyman at all. So when it says cut this piece of plastic off, it doesn't tell you that there's a screw in there, and you got to remove that screw because the new screw you're going to put in. And they have an arrow, and I didn't see it the first time, so I put the splash guards on, and shit, I couldn't get now my splash guards are in the way of trying to get this screw out. But anyway, so these are kind of hard to get off. These are hard to pop off, and I put a piece of paper towel underneath here, so I'm trying to pop these off. I'm not making a fulcrum on the paint, so let's see about getting those taken off. Phone back out. Need a fairly sturdy screwdriver. I had one of these foldable. I can't even find it. I think I left it on the other side. But anyway, gotta pop these 2 out. They don't come out easy. So, like I say, get the wheel turned as much as you can. And then I also got some needle nose pliers to help pull this out. I just broke. Not gonna be able to put that back in. I still need something to grab onto so I can pull this out. So it didn't break on the other side, but it broke coming out on this side. Over there, I was worried about how much force to use. It's like, well, you gotta use a lot of force in my opinion. I'm just breaking them now, taking them out. Oh, man, get stuck up in there. Ooh. Ooh, piece of candy. All right, that came out. Okay, up underneath here. It wants me to use scissors. Scissors was too hard. There it is. We gotta get this. I pretty much pry that off with my finger. But it was too hard to get the scissors in there, so I'm just taking hopefully this is in focus. I'm trying to find that groove. There we go. That came out pretty. The part it didn't tell me in the instructions, there's a screw there. That's got to come out. Hopefully this is getting this on the GoPro. It's a 10mm screw. So let's put this back. Oh. Let's put this back over here. I don't know if it's going to get this, but 10mm on mine is that one. So that is. See, with the mud flaps not hanging, this is a lot easier to get off with the mud flaps not hanging down here in my way. Oh. I've already put this piece together. So this is gonna pop in that hole up underneath here. These are gonna line up. Gotta get this out of the way. We don't want that's from the old car. I need these two. You can't use the same screw, that washer. I mean, I guess I could if I took that washer off. But now I gotta find the other screw. Oh, there it is. Because when this goes up underneath the car, this washer would prevent this from getting up in here. So this fits in here better.
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Okay. Amazon thinks I'm asking. Yeah, Siri thinks I'm asking something. Okay, so I'm just gonna get these started a little bit. Just a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to tell. I'm not right in that hole, which I think I am. So this one went in easier. On the other side, I didn't. When I put the two pieces of here and here together, slightly misaligned. It was a little harder to get the screws in here. This is why you need the tires out of the way, because you gotta. Pop that in there. Now this screw has got to go up in here. Hopefully this will get this. You know, once you do it the first time, it took me so much longer the first time than it did this time, but you know, that's the way everything is. Everything's hard until you've done it. I mean, I guess not everything. Just gonna put that in and get that started. least that, I'm in the wrong fucking hole. I wonder if that's where the jacks go. I gotta look that up. I'm in the wrong place, so I gotta be in here, this screw. I don't know if the GoPro can focus this close. I don't know if that's gonna work, so let's try doing this, something like this. Maybe tilt this up a little bit. There we go. All right, so if this is in, that would be tightening. I mean, I thought I was getting front and rear. Now I got to get some rear mud flaps. Kind of irritating. This $40 just front only. It's mud flaps and splash guard. So that's why I can't get a hold of it anymore. All right, let's pull that out. Oh, dropping the GoPro. Oh. All right, so there we go. That's how to install the front mud flaps. I didn't get any rear mud flaps, so that's what it looks like. Hopefully it'll help. Hopefully it'll help. Thought I'd have something on there. I don't have anything on there. So that is that. Now I gotta find some for the rear. All right, guys, thanks a lot. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. It would help my channel. And if you found the information helpful or useful, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do, remember to turn on notifications so that you don't miss when the next video comes out. All right, guys, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.